Hi, it's Morgan with Steele Ford Lincoln, and this is the 2025 Ford Explorer Active. With the spacious interior and strong towing capacity, this midsize SUV is made for the family who loves to adventure. This specific model does have the iconic silver exterior, those 18-inch sparkle silver aluminum wheels on all-season tires, heated side mirrors, and black roof rails. This specific unit is also designed to seat up to 7 people. Those 2 back seats do fold down nice and flat should you require the extra cargo space, but they are easily accessible just by scooting that second row forward. Taking a closer look at the interior, you do have a lighter headliner which contrasts well with that dark space gray cloth for the seating. Like I said, you can just scooch those seats forward. That is a bench seat and it does split in a 30-30-35 configuration. For the driver, you'll be getting behind the wheel of the 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline-4 engine. It does have the 4-wheel drive system as well as the 10-speed automatic transmission. With adaptive cruise control, a Class 3 tow hitch receiver, and 6 different driving modes to choose from, all that's left to do is determine when and where your next family adventure will be. Speaking of where your next adventure will take you, this built-in navigation system will make sure that you receive all the updates necessary should there be traffic delays or road closures. There it is, the adventure-ready 2025 Ford Explorer. If you have any questions about this or any of our other vehicles here at Steele Ford Lincoln, please pop by. We'd be happy to help you.